Good morning, student. This is Saurabh Srivastav. Students, as we know, we are doing the 8th chapter of 8th class, that is linear equation in one variable. Okay, I have already uploaded video 1 of this chapter, in which I have already discussed the basic terminology that is going to be used in this particular chapter. Okay, so in this chapter we are on the second stage. So today I am uploading the second video, and in this video we are going to discuss some questions related to the linear equations. Okay, so let's see one by one what kind of questions we go through in this chapter. So let's take first question from your textbook itself. Just take 2x plus 1 is equal to 25. Okay, 2x plus 1 is equal to 25. So this will be your question, and what we need to do, we have to find out the value of x in this particular equation. Okay, so how will we solve it? What we will do, we will try to liberate this x, or just make the x independent. Here plus 1 and 2 is aligned to x, so what we will do, we will remove this plus 1 and 2 one by one from the x. Okay, so this will become 2x. I will take 1 from this LHS to the right hand side. Okay, so this the shifting of plus 1 or the element from either side, from LHS or RHS, is called transposing of terms. What it's called? It is called transposing of term. Okay, what is transposing? The shifting of an element from one side to another. So that is transposing of term. So I transpose the one from LHS to the right hand side. So this will become 25 minus 1. Okay, so this will become what? 2x is equal to 24. Now I have to remove this 2 also from the x. So what I will do, I will transpose this 2 from LHS to RHS. So here it is in multiplication form, and when it crosses the is equal to sign, it will become divide. Okay, so this will become x is equal to 24 upon 2, and just cancel it and make it in a simplest form. So this will become 12. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be x equal to 12. Now here you can see that there is no coefficient of x and there is no variable attached to x. So x is an independent form and x is also a positive. So our main task in this kind of question is to make the x independent or free from any variable and make it positive also. Okay, so this is your first question. Now let's move on to the second one. Let's just take another example. Suppose I will take this particular question, a plus 1 upon 18 is equal to a minus 1 upon 27. Okay, so here what we have to do, we have to find out the value of a. Okay, we need to find out the value of a. So what we need to do, we have to just liberate or make the a independent from any of the variables. So here a is attached to plus 1, and also 18 divided by 18 also attached to a. Similarly, in this case, minus 1 is attached to a and 27 is also attached to a. So what I will do, I will just cross multiply both the numerator and denominator. Remember one thing, if you have numerator and denominator on both sides of the equation, that means equal sign, you will first approach you will take is to just cross multiply both the terms. Okay, so I will cross multiply it. What I get, cross multiply it. Okay, what I will get, 27 will get multiplied by a plus 1 here. Okay, and 18 will get multiplied by a minus 1. Okay, so now we will solve it. 27 multiply a will give you 27a. And this will become plus 27. Okay, and this will become what? This will become 18a minus 18. Okay, now just shift all the terms of a to the LHS side and all the remaining terms to the right hand side. Okay, just transpose it. So this will become 27a, and when it crosses the is equal to sign, it will become negative, then it will become minus 18a, and similarly here minus 18, and when 27 crosses the is equal to sign, its sign gets changed and it will become minus 27. Okay, so this will be your now 27a minus 18a is how much? Just subtract it simply. So this will become okay, this will become 9a, and what it becomes, it will become minus minus, these are get added, so this will become 45 of minus. Now a will give you minus 45 divided by 9, that will be equal to how much? That will be equal to 5. So the answer of a will be equal to minus 5. So this will be your answer. The value of a is equal to minus 1. Okay, so in this video we have seen we have just seen two examples. First is related to the transposing of terms, how we can transpose terms on the either sides of the equation, and the second one is of cross multiply, how we can cross multiply two equations. Okay, this is a separate expression and this is a separate expression, so you will just cross multiply and simply get the answer of in both the cases. Okay, so by this way you can proceed to other sums also. If you have any kind of or doubts, you can ask me in my live classes. Till then, watch video and do sums as much as you can. Okay, till then, goodbye and thank you.